Hey YouTube, DearraLeann here, and this is my deep conditioning on the go routine. So to start out, I'm just taking down these 2 twists I've had in my hair for like 2 weeks now. My hair is super dry and it needs to be washed and deep conditioned, so that's what I'm about to do. So in the shower, I co-washed with this Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle conditioner, and I love this stuff. It works amazing. Got a good mind about it. Thought I had that, but I was wrong. Let me tell you about it. She was like my angel from way up above. She cried from the sky. And the deep conditioner I'm using is the Eden Body Works Natural Deep Conditioner. I've been using this non-stop. I've tried a few different ones, but this is still my favorite. Like, yes, I hope we have a son. Watch this nigga be the best. And right around June, she took a plane and it was too late. I did the math and found out I section off my hair and I just go in and put deep conditioner all over. I don't try to detangle. I just put the deep conditioner in and twist my hair back up. Starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from. And then I'm gonna go back in and finger detangle, and then go in with my Denman Brush to remove all the tangles and shed hair. Most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. The purpose of this video is to show that you can deep condition your hair quickly when you need to, because it's not good to skip deep conditioning. You should deep condition your hair once a week. Your hair really needs it, and if you do it, you'll notice a difference. Alright, so this is the last section I'm working on. I just do a little bit of finger detangling, and then I split the section in half before I go in with my Denman Brush to really remove all of the tangles and shed hair before I just twist it back up. She was supposed to be my shawty, my baby. I don't know what's going wrong, this is crazy. I place your life in front of mine, because that's where you asked to be. Saying I don't treat you the same, so now you asking me, who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I was hanging up the phone, she told me to hold on, cause she's finally coming home in July. Yes. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting cold. It's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, the summer turned into fall. See, what's up? It's funny cause I never thought this would end. See, baby, it's not going to end. But then the season changed. Can we bring it back though? You were my girl. You were my girl. Should've made you my world. I wanted you to be my world. Everything to make so you happy, to make sure that you're happy. What you say? Oh yeah. Let's go. So once I'm done detangling and twisting up all my hair, I just grab all my twists and put them in a bun on the top of my head. And then I grab a plastic bag. If you have a shower cap, like one of those like cheap ones, go ahead and use that, or just use a bag like I am. And I rip a little bit of the bag, makes it easier to tie. And then I squeeze all the air out of the bag and kind of form it around my bun and just tuck under the parts that I tied. just take a scarf or a actual headscarf. This is a regular scarf. I'm just tying it on my head, and I just tie it in a knot, and then I adjust it around my head, and then I twist it like I would twist my hair all the way down to the end. And then I just go ahead and wrap it around my bun until it looks how I want it to look. And I make sure to tuck in the ends and all the little frilly things that are on my scarf. And the last thing I do is I take some more deep conditioner and I put it on my edges, and I use this little edges brush thing to shape my edges. It just makes it seem like I did something to my hair when really I'm deep conditioning it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see some more videos, then subscribe to my channel. I'll have more coming soon.